Today's lesson we're going to look at a Delphi function. Now we've talked before about A-level about how when we're using Python it also has a lot of inbuilt functions and methods that we can use. Quite a lot of other programming languages don't have these. So when we get to the exam we need to be very careful about using these and some of the data structures that we need to be doing a lot of things ourselves. So today I've chosen a Delphi function. Now Delphi is another programming language. You can see it has a function called onCamelCase. And what it does is it takes a string which is in camel case, which remember the first letter of each word is a capital, and it removes the camel case and puts a space between every word. So before each capital letter it puts a space. So for example, if in camel case first year salary, you can see the example in the middle of the screen, the result would be first year salary with a space between each of the words. And you can see a second example called saved file name just there. Now there are some obviously other examples shown below that, and it shows you just how it looks when it's printed. Now I'm going to give you an overview of what the code might look like on the next page. So here is an overview of what the code might look like. We've called it onCamel. Now this code is obviously written in a different programming language called Delphi again, and we want you to try and do this in Python. So they've set up a function called onCamelCase. It's taking the string that we want to uncamel. You're then going to have to put your code inside that function and then try with a main program with 4 different outputs. You have a trinket on this page here, as you can see, where you're going to put your answer. See if you can complete this and see if you can do it without using any other inbuilt functions.